What's up, everybody? Nick Arapkiles here, and I wanted to make a quick little Legendary Marketer review. It's been a while since I've directly made a review on Legendary Marketer, and this is going to be a little bit quicker one, but I want to show and prove to you that I'm still cranking out $1,000 days within this system, and I want to explain why that is, because I was on a conversation with a friend of mine. He's trying to learn marketing. He's asking for some direction and guidance on where he should go. And so he was asking me about affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing. And I wanted to explain one particular principle. And this is basically the whole cornerstone of Legendary Marketer. So I wanted to help you guys understand what this was all about. Also wanted to get out into the Arizona weather. It's beautiful. Finally, the weather's picking up a little bit. So what I want to talk about on this video is the whole idea of back-end sales. When I first got started online, I was always focused on like driving traffic to an offer, and hopefully I would start making some sales and therefore some commissions. And that's great and all, and you definitely need to do that. You need to have client acquisition, you need to have customer acquisition, because that is where sales come from, but it's not where the big ticket sales come from. Okay, and that's why I preach a lot about high ticket affiliate marketing, but I want to explain the reasonings behind it and why the rookies out there that are not making much money are focusing on front end sales while the pros are focusing on back end sales. Stop that a light here real quick. So what I mean with back end sales and front end sales, if any of this sound new or foreign, I want to explain it a little bit further. So front end sales are basically, you're going to have these low dollar ticket sales. They're anywhere from like 30 bucks to sometimes 47, 57, 67, sometimes around there. But the high ticket back end sales are more so like in the $500 range, in the $1,000 range, somewhere around there. And they can even go higher and higher than that. But that's the whole idea. That's where your big ticket sales come from. And that's why you want to nurture your customers. That's where the big money comes from. You're not going to be getting rich by just generating $30 sales. And the reason that I'm bringing this type of stuff up is because a lot of people ask me, do you have to invest in the higher ticket packages for Legendary Marketer in order to be successful? That's a big question that I'm always getting, is do I need to purchase it? Well, my question to them is, do you want to learn more information about how to run an online business and profit handsomely? And two, do you want to be positioned to where you're able to earn $1,000 commissions when people purchase the $2,500 package? It's the Builder Masterclass and the Affiliate Marketing Blueprint, the Info Marketing Blueprint, the Events and Consulting Blueprint. That's all of them. The consulting and the events. So those are all, and that's what you get. That's the value that you get within those blueprints. You get those blueprints when you purchase the $2,500 package, and then therefore you are positioned at that level, and therefore the coaches can generate you sales, or they can generate the sales for you, and then you earn 40% commission. So when people ask me that question, it's just, I feel that they're misinformed. And while yes, I understand it's an investment, and a lot of people not always have that type of money. I certainly didn't have that when I started, but when I finally started realizing what this was about and the reasonings behind it, instead of just me thinking like, oh, they're asking me for more money, what the heck? Like it's not that, it's what I just all explained. And once you finally understand that, even if you don't have the money, it makes sense, and there's so much more income potential, and there's so much more knowledge potential that you wouldn't get if you didn't purchase that level. And that's what I started understanding when I got started. Yes, I didn't really have the money, but I saw that, and I saw the potential, and therefore I can earn $1,000 per customer rather than just $18 per customer. And when I saw that and understood that, it made sense to me, and therefore I could go to friends, or I went to one particular friend and I told him that and explained him that, and it made sense to him, and that's why he allowed me to borrow $3,000 to get started in a program like Legendary Marketer, because he saw the potential, he saw the vision, he saw my drive, he saw my determination, and he knew that I was going to have success. It was just a matter of time, even though I was dead broke. He saw the vision, saw the mission, and saw the determination. So that's what I really want to get to, and that's kind of the cornerstone of what we teach within Legendary Marketer is back-end sales, having those back-end commission structures so that you can make good-sized commissions while offering more value to higher-level prospects. So if you want to tap more into that type of stuff, then you're definitely going to want to get into Legendary Marketer. I have a bonus package for people that want to join up with me on my particular team. So if you'd like to learn a bit more about that, you can click the link that's in the video description. It'll tell you more about it. I offer my YouTube training, my Instagram training, my Facebook training, and some other little bonuses that are going to help you drive more traffic so that you can generate more customers. So then the coaches can go in there and work on your behalf so that you can start generating more $1,000 commissions when you're positioned at the blueprint levels. So that is the rundown on Legendary Marketer. I'm just about to cross over $50,000, which is exciting. I'll probably make a much more in-depth review when I get to that point and talk a little bit more about the back office and a lot more details about that. But I just wanted to explain that particular, principle about Legendary Marketer and about online businesses. Okay, even if you don't get into the affiliate program of Legendary Marketer, you still want to apply this type of stuff to any type of online business that you're in. I have an Instagram growth agency where we have a front-end product, but we also have a bunch of back-end products too, where we generate a lot more revenue from, higher level price points. So it's always going to be the same type of thing, no matter what type of business you're in. Do you want to start in with front-end products, liquidate your ad costs, or get a few commissions in there, but then on the back end, that's where you're going to make the real money. So that's the rundown, guys. Again, click that link down below if you are interested in joining our team and getting the bonuses. And if you guys have any other questions, leave them down in the comments or hit me up on any one of my social media platforms. Again, all the links are down in the video description. But thank you for watching this little video on Legendary Marketer and how to really make a lot of money in your online business versus just a little bit of money. And see, that's the thing, is like a lot of people come online and they'll try something out for a little bit, they'll dip their toes a little bit, maybe make a commission or two, but they don't really get any traction because they don't make any big size commissions because they never jumped in. They've never fully jumped in. They were just dipping their toes, and unfortunately that's why a lot of people end up quitting and giving up, because they just don't see the potential. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hope you are having a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day here in Scottsdale. It's Friday afternoon. My friend's birthday today, so we're gonna go do something tonight. Enjoy the time we have. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Appreciate you, and we will see you on the next video.
Against the world, we're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't get to myself, can't get to myself.